There's going to be a little bit of time after we finish up before Rusted Root hops onto the stage. During that time, I'm going to scamper up to the front room up there. Depends whether or not you're bringing whiskey with you. We got a table up there. We got a table up there with a whole bunch of t-shirts and beer koozies on mailing lists, so we can let you know when we're coming back through town again. But most importantly, on that table there are like stacks and stacks of CDs, and next to those CDs is a box, a funny looking box that says "I love you." We call that the "I love you" box. This is how it works. If you like the music that you have been listening to this opening set, we want you to take some home with you. Please help yourself to a CD and throw $10 in the "I love you" box. If all you got on you is $5, then you take a CD and you throw $5 into the "I love you" box. But most importantly, and I hope that every single one of you here tonight takes me up on this, if you are down to your last dollar, please keep it for yourself and help yourself to a CD anyways. We believe that music is meant to be listened to. I thought I'd finish up with a solo song in honor. We just released this week a double CD pair from a live solo show that I played last year that we have up on that table. What's the date today? 13th. It's December 13th. Thanksgiving was 2 weeks away. 2 weeks ago, right? Something like that? More or less. It is insane to me. I don't know if y'all feel it's insane. It's 2 weeks after Thanksgiving and I am so fucking sick of hearing holiday songs already. And it's like, we still got the home stretch coming up and it's only gonna get more intense. So I'm gonna play a holiday song. Look, people, we're in it. We may as well embrace it together. All right. In that spirit, it would make me really, really happy if you felt like singing along with me on this song. This is actually one of the prettiest songs, I think. I know. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. That was really beautiful. I'm sorry to sound so surprised. You people kind of killed it on that. Can we do that one more time, please? You mind doing that one more time? Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child. know there are more words to that song. Unfortunately, I don't know them because I'm a Jew. Adam Ezra, big surprise there. I took it upon myself to write a verse for the Jews in the room tonight. I call this verse Plight of the Lonely Jew on Christmas. Sad, lonely Jew, nothing to do. Chinese food, a movie or two. God, no eggnog, no tree or no lights. Hanukkah's over, not a present in sight. Man, I could use a new fleece. Santa, please bring me a fleece. Thank you very much. It's been an honor hanging out with you. Up next, what's the root?